Hi, this is Alan from HawkDive and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about the Microsoft Windows Copilot, which is the newest feature coming to Windows 11, maybe around the later versions of 23H2 or 24H2. Now, a lot of people are saying that it may be available on the newest Canary build of Windows 11, but it is not. I have tested it out. I am currently on the latest build over on my VirtualBox, but that is not true. So for today, I'm going to be talking to you, what is it and what is the current feature of Microsoft that you can access that is integrated over on the Copilot. But first of all, I'm going to hop onto my desktop. Right now we are on my desktop, and as what I have stated earlier, there is really nothing that you can do to actually try out the new Microsoft Windows Copilot. But what is it first? Well, this Windows Copilot, as the name suggests, co-pilots you, the user, because it is a toolbox, not really a toolbox, but kind of a toolbar on the right side of your screen. When you press the icon on your taskbar, that pops up and you can ask things just like on ChatGPT and Bing AI. And also it can read files. If you say, how can I focus more on this certain task? It'll maximize your settings on the Windows, like change your dark mode. It will change your brightness. It'll change the sounds, the music, and whatsoever based on your preference and based on its idea, and basically make you just a much more efficient person because you literally have that assistant. It is an AI assistant, so of course it'll be needing internet to be accessed. But what else is on it? It has a smooth integration. It will be integrated to applications such as PowerPoint, Word, expected on the, of course, Microsoft applications that we have, but also expect them to come on other applications that we have also, such as Adobe programs and other editing programs. It has a contextual assistance. Again, basically like ChatGPT, you can ask it question, you can make it do stuff now. It'll give you explanation, synopsis of whatever you ask it for. And of course, it can also be a language assistant. Let's say you're visiting a website or watching a YouTube video that you do not know what it is saying, it'll auto-translate it for you. And of course, lastly, it'll have a support for third-party plugins. These third-party plugins may come from third-party apps such as Spotify. Now, if it is integrated to that, you can literally say, I want to play this music. I want this type of music, and I'll find you a song from Spotify. Really great features, but I want to go and look at their announcement video that came out a few weeks ago. And I'm going to discuss everything that it'll show you. From the Microsoft developer, published 4 weeks ago, this is their demo. This is the new Windows Copilot. You can access this icon itself over at the Windows 11 Canary build, but it'll do nothing. You can literally just press it, but it will not do anything. Once pressing that, it'll pop up right here on the sidebar, or we can just call it a sidebar toolbar, and I'll show you Copilot. You can get answers from complex questions, or it can do actions on your PC. It can also work on documents, as I stated earlier. You see this? How can I adjust my system to get work done? Look what it's going to do. It's going to give you options, but not only that, it'll do it itself once you press yes. Give you a timer, dark mode. You can always stay on whatever you are doing. Look at that. It also gave the user a good window placement. Also works with your documents, such as here. Drag a PDF file or any file that has text on it. You can ask it to summarize, rewrite, or do whatever you want. Look at that. Make things a lot more faster. It works with every app. As you can see, this one is integrated with Spotify. Boom. Open Spotify. Plays the music from Chill Vibes instantly. like a snap. Logo templates, gave you some. This is from Adobe Express. Look at that, easily. Brings up applications. It has plugin support, as I stated, with third-party programs such as Adobe and of course the main Microsoft applications that we have. This is just an amazing piece of software integration with AI, and I think it's going to help out a lot of people be much more efficient. But yeah, I talked about, how we can access kind of a part of it right now. Well, that is Bing AI. Here, if we head over to Microsoft n-us/edge/download insider !th and form equal MA13FJ, that's very mouthful to say, we can download the Edge canary. Right here, there's a piece of this, and I'm going to be showing you in a bit. Let's accept the download. It'll download, and of course, we would have to install the program. As you can see, I opened up the downloaded file, and now it's downloading the Microsoft Edge canary. Why the canary build? Well, with the canary build, you'll have sub-access to some of its features, such as, again, the integration of Bing AI into it. So here, I'm just going to show you. All right, so now we are on the Edge canary build, and as you can see, for some of you who are already using a canary version of Windows and Edge, you're probably wondering why I don't have the Bing AI icon right there. I don't know the answer too. Mine's bugged up, as always, but here, I'm going to be searching Bing AI, and I should be able to access it from here. Press the sign. I'm going to click on, let's just remove that, and cool. Now, this is going to be a part of the Microsoft Windows Copilot. As you can see, your AI-powered Copilot for the web. They're going to replace this with just Windows Copilot. So it acts just like ChatGPT. But right now, the main difference is that it cannot be accessing my files or data from the computer. It is all on the web and always just on the browser and cannot exist on the main machine or local machine yet. So let's say, how are you? Can you open up YouTube, the latest video? I don't know if it's going to do that, but let's see. It takes quite some time to respond. Also, my internet sucked, but as you can see, it is not as smart as the new Windows Copilot. As you can see, it just gave me a link or whatsoever. And if I ask it, can you turn my PC on dark mode? Is unable to do that for now. But this is kind of a taste of what the new AI is capable of. But right now, this one, it can just search. Now it's giving me steps, but it doesn't give me the toggles that I would like to see from it, unlike on the Windows Copilot. So here, if I just do, can you write me a quick social media tag for my TikTok post about Minecraft? If I do that, it should be able to give me some great queries and statements. As you can see, gave me the tags that I want for my TikTok post. That is going to give me a very high chance of being seen on the platform, but it is just as smart as an AI-powered web tool. Still not as good as ChatGPT, but that is why the new Microsoft Windows Copilot, the release date, still unknown. They said it is going to come on most canary builds this June, but so far none of it has the actual features that are stated on the promo list. So I'll expect it around this year, mid-year, or around late year, or around mid-2024. But that is all. Again, this is Alan from Hawk Dive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Hawk Dive video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, by the way. Have a nice day.